Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to check out these long hair transformations. So the first one starts off with this beautiful bob. This one does have a hint of color with it. I love the peekaboo hair color trend. It is one of my favorites. And then we move into another hair transformation. So she ended up getting this gorgeous French girl style bob, complete with bangs in the front. Oh, and she also has an undercut in the back. I love the edginess behind that haircut, very unexpected. So moving on, so she's also getting a bob haircut. Oh, so she's going with the pixie. I thought she was doing a bob. So it looks like she's getting a longer pixie. The hair's a little bit longer in the front, shorter in the back. But she has beautiful long bangs with this. Gorgeous. Kind of a toss-up between a longer pixie and a pixie cut. So then we move on to this bob transformation. So she ended up getting a beautiful curly bob. Highlights and color as well. And then here we see another pixie haircut transformation. So she also has longer bangs with this one as well. Gorgeous overall shape. Very nice face framing pixie. And then we see the styling of this French girl bob. She has beautiful blunt bangs with this one. The bob comes to around jaw length. So far she is doing a great job with the styling. She's really adding some volume to this bob. It just looks gorgeous. So moving on, we're going to see another transformation with this one. So take your bets now. Is she going to do a bob or a pixie cut? I'm thinking she's going to go pixie. I mean, those rubber bands are up pretty high. So this has to be a hair donation because the stylist is being extremely careful with the cutting. Oh, so she ended up getting this beautiful pixie cut. I love it. I wish we could have saw the front. That was gorgeous. So this looks like another pixie haircut transformation with this next one. Stylist is using the razor to do the cuts, creating a nice sharp choppiness throughout. Finishing up with the shears. Absolutely gorgeous. That is such a nice length. It's a perfect length between being too short and being too long. And then here we have this gorgeous money piece highlighted look. She's got some beautiful honey blonde going there, face framing with her complexion. And then we have a hair color transformation. Oh, so she got like these beautiful rose gold coloring done with these highlights and a gorgeous kind of ombre color. Really pretty. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.